Good morning. Please, how are you today? In this lesson, I'm bringing you the chapter 4 of the English grammar for Francophones. In the chapter 4, we are going to have a look at countable and uncountable nouns. Dans ce chapitre, nous allons apprendre les noms variables et les non variables. Veuillez prêter attention lorsque je vous envoie le détail ou les détails du cours. Mais bien avant, essayons de voir un peu les objectifs visés dans ce chapitre. We are going to have a look at the objectives in this chapter. So kindly watch. By the end of this lesson, the students should be able to identify the countable nouns and uncountable nouns. They should be able to use the countable nouns correctly in oral and written. À la fin de cette leçon, l'élève sera en mesure d'identifier les noms variables et de non variables, et aussi de les utiliser correctement en anglais et en français. So let's quickly have a look at the countable nouns. The countable nouns refer to things that can be counted. They take the form in singular and plural. Les noms comptables sont référés à des choses qui peuvent être comptées. Ils prennent la forme du pluriel et du singulier ou du pluriel. So in this case, when a countable noun is masculine form, how do we form its plural? We form its plural by adding s or es, and so on and so forth. So you have to watch out to see how we can form the countable nouns in plural form. Now, the countable nouns, how do you identify them? You identify them through the article a. Les noms variables peuvent être identifiés par les articles a et an. They can be identified by the articles a and an. A and an. And countable nouns are also called count nouns. Countable nouns are also called count nouns. Les countable nouns et les noms variables sont aussi appelés count nouns in English. Let's quickly have a look at some examples of countable nouns and their plural. So we have dog, a dog. In plural form, we say dogs. A dog, dogs. A student, students. A student, students. A boy, boys. A boy, boys. A potato, potatoes. A potato, potatoes. A dress, dresses. A dress, dresses. An apple, apples. An apple, apples. An egg, eggs. An egg, eggs. You can see clearly on your screen that the countable nouns in the plural form, we have to add s to the singular to get the plural. That's why you see the one highlighted in yellow to be the plural form of the singular countable nouns. Now, let's go to the uncountable nouns. On the uncountable nouns, les noms non variables. Comme je viens de le dire, les noms qui varient ou les noms variables, pour former le pluriel, nous avons besoin d'ajouter s or es, comme vous le voyez sur votre écran. So now we have uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns that normally cannot be counted. Les noms variables sont des noms qui ne peuvent pas normalement être comptés. On peut les classer selon les catégories suivantes. They can be classified according to the following categories. So let's see the categories in which uncountable nouns can be classified. 1, branches of knowledge and diseases. Branches of knowledge and diseases. We have like words like politics, account, physics, mathematics, malaria, cholera, fever. Those words are words that cannot be counted. You can't count, you can't say one politics or two politics, no. C'est mots sont des mots qui ne peuvent pas être comptés, ce sont des noms qui ne peuvent pas être comptés pour dire une politique, des politiques, trois politiques, this, no. Now, emotions. We have emotions. Words under emotions, we have fun, love, enjoyment, happiness, laughter, hatred. You can't say hatreds and you add S. No, we can't count them because they are emotions. Now for emotions. Now let's get nouns under ideas and quality. That is abstract. It is abstraction. Ideas and quality. We have faithfulness, honesty, humility, bravery, luck, trust, jealousy, peace, justice, independence, hardness, liberty, democracy. These are words under ideas and quality. Let's proceed with nouns under activities that derive from verbs. Activity, that is verbs. Now, from them, we have information, advice, work, farming, employment, storage, permission, correspondence, gossip. These are names that are under activity that derive from verbs. When you say derive from verbs, means information derived from the verb to inform, advise to advise, work to work, farming to farm, employment to employ, storage to store, permission to permit, correspondent to correspondent, to correspond, sorry, gossip to gossip. So let's also have a look at words or nouns that derive or under foods, plants, etc. So we have sugar, food, hair, salt, cement, water, iron, clay, wine, corn, cotton, rice, milk, kerosene, bread, leather, tea, ink, oil, swine, air, etc. There are plenty. And we have other nouns that cover the same gender, the same gender. So let's quickly have a look at those words that cover the same gender that cannot be counted. We have equipment. We've learned that one. Furniture, luggage, property, maid, machinery, vegetation, merchandise. We have these ones that cannot be counted. Okay? Now, let's go and have a look at this exercise. They say écris seul contre les noms qui peuvent être comptés, besoin des noms variables, et U contre les noms non variables. So write C against the countable nouns, the countable nouns, and U against the uncountable nouns. Let's see, have a look at the nouns. We have this, Australia, yes, yes, okay, and this one. So let's quickly do the activity. The first one is air. Air. Air is an, yes, who can tell us? An uncountable noun. Air is an uncountable noun. What about mountain? Can you say mountains? Yes, mountain is countable now. Music, can you count? No, so music is uncountable now. Better, better is also uncountable now. You should know that. We have breath. Breath is uncountable now. We have sun. Sun is uncountable now. Coat. Coat is uncountable now. Eyes. Eyes is uncountable now. Death. Death is uncountable now. Camel, uncountable now. Shop is countable now. Grass, uncountable now. Sand is uncountable now. Clothing, clothing is countable noun. Hair, hair is uncountable noun. Smoke, smoke is uncountable noun. Now literature, literature is uncountable noun. Beef, beef is uncountable noun. Fish, uncountable noun. Poem is a countable noun, poem. Cheese is uncountable noun. Friendship, uncountable noun. Sleep, uncountable noun. Darkness is uncountable noun. Books, book. Book is a countable noun. 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 Dress is a countable noun. Poetry is uncountable noun. Apple is countable noun. Friend is countable noun. Sunshine is uncountable noun. Coffee is uncountable noun. Storm is uncountable noun, and iron is uncountable noun. So all these are nouns which are countable and uncountable. Thank you for this activity and this lesson. I hope you had a good time and you understood. In our next lesson, we'll bring you gender, noun gender, the gender of nouns. So do not miss the next class, be part of it. Until then, merci, au revoir, bye-bye.